Welcome to LaSalle Pool. I'm Ann Smith. I'm the aquatic coordinator for LaSalle Pool. I'm going to take you on a quick tour so that you know what to expect when you come here for a swim with us. It's a little bit different this year. It is not a drop-in, walk-in into LaSalle Pool. You have to register online, the City of Burlington. Once you've registered, then when you're on site here, what we're going to ask you to do is line up, do the physical distancing, and just waiting here until we can open up and welcome you into our pool. So once we open up the gates, just follow me and I'm going to show you where you go. So right here is where our screener is going to be. You're going to stand here. You're going to ask a couple of health screening questions and just register yourself in. Once you've asked all of your health screening questions, you're just going to turn around here and we've got one of our pool lifeguards that is going to sanitize your hands. Thanks, Ethan.
No problem.
All right, here is the wading pool for you and your children to enjoy. A reminder about capacity, it is limited with LaSalle Pool. Also, it's an hour-and-a-half swim that you're going to be able to enjoy with us. So while you're in our facility, we're asking you to just be a reminder about physical distancing so that everybody feels comfortable while they are in our facility. I wanted to show you two water features that we're going to have available for the toddlers and the swimmers this summer also, and that includes the wading pool. And then after the hour and a half, we will be asking you to exit. I'm going to show you where that exit is. It's right over here. Here's our fence that you'll be exiting out of. We're looking forward to seeing you here at LaSalle Pool.